This is going to be my home for the next month. My travel trailer on our way to Yellowstone. And what's up, Dan? Are you ready to go? Dan's ready to go. Let's do this. Well, we're barely 5 miles out of Atlanta and we have our first thunderstorm. We have been here before. First stop, rest stop, just on the Tennessee-Georgia border. Special treat. Dan rarely gets Nutella ever. Oh man. We've been on the road for 90 minutes and I already forgot 2 things.
Yeah.
Or I remembered that I forgot 2 things. First, I forgot the giant road atlas that I got from Walmart, and I forgot to pack my bacon. So we need to hit up a Walmart somewhere in Nashville this afternoon and get that stuff. Alright, we're in Monteagle, Tennessee. We had a good lunch at the Tennessee-Georgia state line. Gas here is $2 a gallon. Okay, there's been a lot of debate over what's for dinner. What's for dinner?
Nachos.
I thought we were having tacos.
We have nachos.
Okay. That's amazing. Dinner's all done. Dishes are all clean. Dan's loading an app on his iPad. And we're gonna try and catch the sunset with the drone.